Let's do example 8. Question A, we have modulus 3x minus 4 more or equal to 6. So I know that this is absolute inequalities. So it's either gola or squaring both sides. One modulus means that we need to use gola. So since we have more or equal to sign, we need to use go. So untuk go, kamu ambil dalam modulus, kamu salin 2 kali. Ini kali yang pertama, ini kali yang kedua. And then bila kamu ada more or equal to 6 ni, Miss suka hafal macam ni. Kalau more or equal to, dia mesti positif. 6 tu salin balik. Tapi kalau kamu terbalikkan dia punya sign, dia akan jadi less or equal to negative and then letak balik 6. So what do we put in the middle here? We put or, because G is greater than O is O. And then solve for both of them. So do we just take these two answers? No, you need to apply the meaning of or. Or means that you need to use union. So draw your number line and then find the real answer. And this is how we solve for question A. Let's solve question B. Here we have modulus and then less than. So having only one modulus means that we need to use gola. And this symbol means that we need to use la because this is less than. So less than means you need to use la. So untuk la sahaja dia panjang sikit, dia akan ada 2 step. 1, 2. Apa saja dalam modulus, kamu salin sekali sahaja. And then salin simbol ni letak kiri dan kanan. Ini 3 kan? So sebelah kanan ni kamu letak positif 3, sebelah kiri kamu letak negatif 3. So when you have something that looks like this, you need to separate it into 2 inequalities. Recall that this means that we need to put the word and. And kamu pun boleh nampak kata dia tally dengan la ni. So, how do you find the final answer? And means that you need to use intersect. So, let's draw the number line. Intersect means that it is the area between the 2 lines. And that's how you solve for la. Let's continue with question C. So now we can see that we have 2 modulus. And this means that you need to square both sides. So when you square both sides, modulus ni kita anggap dia macam tak ada. So it's just x plus 5 square more or equal to 2x minus 3 square. So now we can see that this is actually just quadratic inequalities. So kita apply konsep yang kita pernah belajar untuk solve quadratic inequalities. The first one is to factorize completely. So jangan tengok lagi dah yang ke atas, kita tengok ini sahaja. And that's how we solve for this question. See, whenever you have two modulus, you need to square both sides and then see what you have. If you have quadratic, you need to do TOS. If you have ratio inequalities, you need to do TOS. But you only have linear inequalities, then just use number line.